Hello everyone, this is Daily Korean Does, delivering the taste and culture of Korea to you. Today we're going to explore a true soul food that every Korean loves. It's kimchi jjigae. You might have seen it in K-dramas or movies, and some of you might have even tasted it. Kimchi jjigae isn't just a stew made with kimchi. It's an indispensable part of the Korean dining table, a part of daily life itself. So first, let's find out how kimchi jjigae came to be. Kimchi jjigae is a spicy stew made with Korea's representative fermented food, kimchi, along with pork, tofu, and other ingredients. Koreans traditionally used leftover kimchi to make stew, and that's generally considered the origin of kimchi jjigae. It can also be seen as a wise dish developed for kimchi preservation in times before refrigerators. Kimchi jjigae comes in many varieties depending on the ingredients used. I'll introduce two of the most popular ones. The first is pork kimchi jjigae. It's characterized by its deep, rich flavor, a harmony of kimchi and tender pork. The second is tuna kimchi jjigae. This version uses canned tuna and has a cleaner yet savory taste that's excellent. It's especially popular among those who live alone. How often do Koreans eat kimchi jjigae, you ask? Well, once or twice a week is basic, and some even eat it every day. Why do they love kimchi jjigae so much? First, its spicy and pungent flavor perfectly suits the Korean palate. When you mix a spoonful of hot stew with rice, it feels like all your stress melts away, you know? Moreover, kimchi jjigae is a dish that evokes jeong, a feeling of warmth and affection, like a stew your mom would make at home. It's also the best for hangovers the day after drinking, or on a rainy day. It has an irresistible charm that keeps you coming back for more, even though it's spicy and hot. Today, on Daily Korean Dose, we learned about kimchi jjigae, the soul food of Koreans. How was it? If you get the chance, I highly recommend trying it to experience Korea's spicy taste and warm jeong. Please look forward to our next episode. Goodbye!